The standard normal distribution is a special case of the normal distribution where the mean is equal to 0 and the standard deviation is equal to 1. So if you look at the graph, you'll see that the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. So we also have something called a z-score, and this is associated with the standard normal distribution. And it describes how many standard deviations a data item in a normal distribution lies above or below the mean. And it can be used to compare two sets of data. And for z-scores, the mean is equal to 0 because it's associated with the standard normal distribution. So our formula for the z-score is the data item minus the mean and then divide that by the standard deviation. Number 3 says, a set of data items is normally distributed with a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 8. Convert each data item to a z-score. So our mean is 60 and the standard deviation is 8. And our formula is right here. So I need to take 76 minus 60 and divide that by 8. And that is equal to 2. So what this 2 means is that 76 is 2 standard deviations above the mean. If we look at 40, we want to take 40 minus 60 and divide that by 8, and that's equal to negative 2.5. So what that means is 40 is 2.5 standard deviations below the mean because it's negative. (72) minus 60 divided by 8 is 1.5. So 72 is 1.5 standard deviations above the mean. And then finally, 30 minus 60 over 8 is negative 3.75. So 30 is 3.75 standard deviations below the mean.